These chia and strawberry breakfast jars are so little, but they really do pack a punch. I finished mine in 6 tablespoons and at first I thought, no way is this going to fill me up, but it took about 3 hours and I was ready for my next meal. So if you are in a hurry or if you don't eat breakfast, having something this small that's going to fill you up till the next meal will be amazing, right? And it's keto approved. This delicious recipe is for 4 jars and it lasts for about 4 days, 5 days. Just remember when you are cleaning your strawberries to wash them in lemon water, and that'll give longevity to your strawberries. Let's get into the recipe now.
First, we are going to prepare the chia pudding, which is a little like cereal. So to a bowl, add 4 tablespoons of black chia seeds. I also meant to say I've left the macro account and written recipe in the description box, but each jar is just 6 grams of carbs. Next, add 1 cup of almond milk and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract or vanilla bean paste, and whisk that until fully combined. Then let it sit for about 10 minutes and you will notice how the chia seeds swell and soften in the almond milk. And that's the beauty of chia seeds and why we use a little. It's going to make you feel full for a few hours or until your next meal. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you find value in the information provided in this video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. I also post new recipes every week, so hit the notification bell so you know when a new recipe is being posted. Set the chia pudding aside for now so we can prepare the smoothie layer. Clean and slice 3 to 4 or 100 grams of strawberries. I strongly advise you to have a kitchen scale if you're doing keto, because it really helps in being precise when tracking your macros. As you can see, I measure everything. Okay, add the cut strawberries to a blender, and I'm using my good old NutriBullet. Then add 3 tablespoons of hemp hearts or hemp seeds and 1 tablespoon of natural almond butter. Then 1 tablespoon of desiccated coconut and about 4 mint leaves. And for the liquid, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of almond milk. Those flecks in the milk are from the hemp seeds. I just use the same container, so it's just a 1/4 cup of almond milk. I blended it at this point until completely smooth and tasted the smoothie, and it was a little sour from the strawberries. So to turn it up, I added a 1/2 teaspoon of strawberry extract and a sachet of stevia or a 1/2 teaspoon of stevia. Then blended it until smooth. And lastly, we are just going to cut up 50 grams of strawberries for the fruity layer, and this is going to add texture to your chia and strawberry breakfast jar. You can cut them however you like, and also I finely diced a few mint leaves. Separate the cut strawberries into 4 parts, and you will need to do the same with the chia pudding. I measured out the chia pudding for you guys, so you're going to need 63 grams per jar. Okay, get 4 jars out now. Add half of the 1 part of strawberries to each jar. Then after the strawberries, add 63 grams of the chia pudding. You might need to shake the jar when you've added the chia pudding so it evens out. And also you will notice that the chia has swelled even more. Next, add the smoothie mixture, and here you will see I just eyeballed it because it was quite runny. And lastly, to garnish, sprinkle a bit of coconut into each jar, then finely diced mint leaves, and lastly the leftover strawberry bits. Close the jars and you can store them in the fridge, and they'll be good for 4 to 5 days, and you can have them for breakfast or an in-between meal to tide you over until dinner, or if you're hungry after you've had dinner. If you don't like strawberries, you can also make the same recipe with blueberries. Just remember to track them because while berries are approved for keto, they do have carbs in them, so you can probably use a handful, I'd say. That's why I didn't add blueberries to this recipe.
Well, I do hope you enjoyed this video and get to make these chia and strawberry jars, and they're really yummy too. Thanks for watching. Be safe and stay well.